Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Antonette's Vignettes, and that's hosted by Antonette Decorating. So the co-host of this collab is Melanie Thompson, and the theme is green for Halloween. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below along with the playlist. So all we ask is that you full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and have fun. So moving on to the video, I'm going to be making a couple of DIYs of items that I'm going to incorporate in my vignette. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's jump into the video. I did want to mention that most of the items are from the Dollar Tree. So the first item that I'm working on is this pumpkin. So we are going to mix some hunter green with some white and create this lovely shade of green. We are going to color the whole pumpkin in this green, and so that's what you see me doing here right now. I'm absolutely loving this shade of green. I think it's perfect for the fall season. Didn't that come out absolutely beautiful? Now let's move on to the little fox. And this happens to be one of the wooden ornaments that come in, I think it's a 6-pack at the Dollar Tree. And they make perfect little accent pieces, and they also make perfect decor pieces for tier trays. Okay, so this fox is all done. Look how cute. So now we're going to move on over to the hot chocolate / cafe. So what I did here is I colored the cup part in the shade of green, but then I went ahead and the whipped cream part, we colored that in the shade of white. And so you will see that later on. Now we're going to move on over to the ribbons. We're going to create some bows so that we can attach and embellish these 3 pieces. So we're almost done with the bow, and of course I had to add some jute twine to all of my bows and all of my embellishments for the fall. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? That bow came out so cute. Now for the fox piece, to cover the hole on top, I placed a gem. Any reason to place a gem, I'm gonna take it. So, and also again, we're gonna embellish with some more twine. After we were done with the fox, then what I decided to do is take one of those Jenga blocks and then hot glue that to the back so that it would be able to stand on its